Hi everyone, I've got a Skoda Rapid here on a 2016-17 plate. Just did a service on this. I'm going to reset the service light. We'll show you how it's done. Right, okay, now what we need to do, I'm just going to show you what it is first. So if I start the car up, as you see here now, it says oil service now. You don't need a diagnostic tool for this. You switch the ignition off, put your hazards on. That's the hazards on now. Hold this button. Switch the ignition on again. Keep hold of it till it resets. Keep hold of it. No entry. Now switch the car off. Switch the hazards off. Start the car up. As you see there now, there's no entries. That means the service light is reset. Anything else you want to know, let us know. We'll try helping you out. And just so you know, this is just for an all service and inspection. If there is any other faults, then you might have to take it to your local garage and get them to plug it in. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.